bleh. Hey Jammers, today we're going to be playing Phantom Fighter. Let's play. It's a pretty hard game, so I'm going to go on easy. Oh, I'm freezing, because I just had like an icy, I don't know why. Let's do this. Boom. What? You're saying this is hard? Oh god. Oh, okay. Yeah, pretty hard. Go! Yes! Oh my god. So, I got, Sam budded me again. It was really fun because, we just hung out with her friend, with one of her friends for a little while, and we were having Go War 5 versus Banana. Okay, 6 gems. Okay. Oh, hey, we're all up in this crazy beautiful place. Look at it. Oh, it's so pretty. Whack. Blocked. Bam. Blocked. Yeah. Blocked. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. I don't even know what that was. I only have one more life left, and I'm rocking this game. This is like me playing Call of Duty. I'm just screaming like killing and stuff. Okay, next thing. Oh, what is that? Oh, am I gonna get a real life? Am I gonna get a new life? I want to get a new life. Please get me a new life. Okay, that kind of sounds a bit bad. No! I was just about to get the extra life. Oh, yes. Wait, that wasn't an extra life? Oh, it's like a power-up. Oh, look. Oh, I hate this. Well, that was lots of fun. It was basically a girl playing Call of Duty. Oh, no. Anyway, let's play again. Later. Oh, achievement. I never even played this game, so that's why I keep getting achievements. I got an achievement while I went to the bathroom. That's why I paused the video. Oh my god. Boom. Oh, there's red phantoms. Oh, do they have like just power? Oh, well, that's sorry because your things are not going to be hitting me. Boom. Burn. That burn was so burning that you could probably feel it burn. What is that? Is that like a pomegranate or something? What is this? Whoa, I am the boss. Look at me. I am a boss. Next level. Let's try to get to level 3. Yeah, still looking like a boss. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. Okay, well, I'm gonna end it here. Bye, Jammers.